Hello, in today's video we are going to see how to fix no network coverage problem in Oppo phone. If you are facing this similar problem, then go to settings, then go to mobile network. Then select the SIM on which you are facing this problem. In my case, it's SIM 2, so tap on it. Then disable it. Then again enable it. After doing that, enable this option. Then go to preferred network type and select the highest network. In my case, it's 4G. So tap on it. Then go back and scroll down. Here you will see system and update. Tap on it and go to backup and reset. Then tap on reset phone. And here you will see reset network and Bluetooth settings. Tap on it. Draw or write your pin. Now here you will see reset option. Now it will not reset your phone, it will only reset the network settings, so don't worry and tap on it. It will take few seconds to reset. As you can see, it is now reset. After doing that, close this window and hold your mobile and restart it. After restarting your mobile, you will no longer face this problem. So, I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.